Damn, that's a lot of beeping. Guess I got a good set of boxes today. Good thing I cleaned this place up with my dirty ass.
I don't think they ready.
Alright, open one of the boxes. Got a lot of the latest tees. Let's see what we got here. So a lot of redesigned tees, like this Colors by Bathing tee. Usually multicolored lettering. They went with the whole gray tone lettering as well. Here's that new grid camo, which I'm pretty sure y'all can tell with all the little squares. The color of this camo is pretty clean. Does remind me of the nice Hong Kong colorways. Colors College tee in the black gray colorway. Ah, the Colors by Bathing tee in the multicolor. Colors College tee, multicolor. Let's see what else we got here. Ah, yeah, and the digital mosaic tee. Yeah, I'm not too sure how they came up with that name, but yeah.
I mean, it's alright, like.
Well, there goes one of the boxes full of tees. I think the rest should be Bapesters. A little bit more exciting stuff.
Shake your body, move your body.
So we got 3 new colorways. You know, Bape's been trying to drop these OGS colorways, which is pretty cool. This is the brown and beige colorway. You know, trying to bring back those real strong colors. Now officially the brown beige colorway, personally kind of looks more of a yellow. Got that light earth tone color palette, not your conventional colors, but kind of has a nice subtle pop to it. You know, with that light yellow and that kind of teal and brown, clean colors for the fall season. I've been noticing it's been real popular with the ladies. Here are the second Bapesters, the yellow-gray colorway. Now, if you've been following your boy, yellow's not my color, but this kind of darker yellow, not too much, not too little, kind of has a nice middle to it. You know, it doesn't kill the eyes. And with the blues, grays, and whites, it really brings it all together. I can see myself rocking these for sure. And here's the last Bapester, and my favorite in the collection, the gray burgundy colorway. A bit heavier on the neutral colors, you know, the different shades of gray. You got that nice burgundy color, like wine gives it that added flavor. Haha.
Man, shut your bitch ass.
Nah, I'm being stupid, but that burgundy color, in my opinion, always had a smoothness to it. And there they are. You know, if you look at them, kind of goes from light to dark. You feeling a more lighter colorway, you hit them up with the brown and beige. You want something more in the middle, the yellow and gray. And if you want to go all the way, the gray and burgundy. That's a pretty clean pack. So the postman just came through again. And what kind of ugly ass box? Yeah, I don't know what's in this. Let's open this thing up. What the hell? Oh, these are the BAPEXs. I actually, yeah, never shown y'all this Bape item in any of my videos. I don't get too many order requests for these, but let's take a look at them. It's been a minute since I've seen some, and maybe you guys would like to see them as well. Now, some people say the BAPEX is a fake imitation Rolex.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Okay, maybe there's a point there. But let's just say Rolex inspired. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. BAPEX is not my thing. But we'll get into that a little bit more later on. Now, for this collection, they dropped 3 classic Type 1s. Here's the box, which, yeah, it is pretty similar to the Rolex box, with the green and the gold coloring, but still pretty nice. So there's 3 colors. Which one is this one? This one is, the Blueface dial. The classic Type 1 blue. Alright, let's get a closer look. So we got the Blueface dial, blue bezel, gold color signature. I don't want to touch it too much because this is an order request, but the entire watch is gold colored. Got an ape head on the bracelet buckle, and we got one more ape head on the crown. Hopefully y'all can see that. It is kind of hard to tell, but yeah, there it is. Now, I'm not no watch expert or anything like that, but I would say it's yeah, pretty nice watch. Now, the quality of the insides, I'm not no expert, so I can't really say, but yeah. Of course, it does come with the instructions manual, English and Japanese, and your guarantee card. Hold on, let me check the back. Okay, that's some pretty sensitive information. Not gonna show that, but you know those guarantee cards that says it lasts this long, or if you need a repair, take it at this place, stuff like that. All right, well there goes the blue. Of course, the purple and the black are the same, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. Which one is this one? This one is...
It's Pikachu!
The purple one.
It's the very
Purple face dial with the purple bezel. Yeah, that's pretty nice. You know, purple always had that sophisticated look to it.
Changer.
Well, there goes the purple. And here is the black. That black face dial with the black bezel. You know, if I had to choose out of the three, probably be this one. You know, black is always that simple, clean, that classic look. Then you add that gold coloring, kind of gives it that added confidence.
You must know my good friend Pedro Morales, Gonzalez, Maroto, Molassos, Modestos.
Well, there it is, the classic Type 1 BAPEX. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm not too big on BAPEX. Main reason, not a big watch wearer, especially these type of watches. Your boy got some hairy ass arms and bracelet kind of rips at him.
What the fuck?
If I did have to wear a watch, I'd go for them Bape G-Shocks. Personally, way cleaner. Also, it is on the pricey side. I'd rather save up my money and aim for a real Rolex. But then again, but like I always say, if you like it, rock it. Well, there it is, you guys. What y'all think about the BAPEX? You know, something new, something I haven't shown on the channel before. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!